Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinemagraph effect in Capcut. So if you want to make your videos pop with a cinematic, eye-catching cinemagraph effect, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can freeze part of your video while keeping motions in other parts. So what you need to do in here is just open the Capcut application and start a new project and import your video. So in here, I'm going to use this videos right here where this drink is pouring like this, and I want to freeze and I want to create a cinemagraph effect using this. So what you need to do here is just click on the clip and duplicate it first, and then make one of the clip as overlay. Click on a clip and tap on overlay. Make sure that the positions is aligned like this. And now what you need to do is go to the part where the drink about to overflow the glass here. Okay, I'm going to go with here, and then you can just click on a clip, swipe the tools, and until you find the freeze option. So freeze the clip in here and then delete the clip on the left. So delete the clip on the left and right of the frozen clip. Okay, like this. So there's only this frozen clip in here. What you need to do is just drag it in here, aligned with the first part of the clip, and then adjust the durations. So extend the durations for about 20 seconds or follow the durations of the clip. And after that, click on the overlay and find mask. Go to the masking feature and choose the rectangle options. And in here, drag the masking up here. Okay, now you can just tap on invert. You can also add some feathering to make it smoother. Tap on a check icon, and here you'll preview the result like this. As you guys can see, the drink is pouring, but the drink in the glass is not increasing. So you'll have the cinemagraph effects on your video. And so that's all for me. This trick perfect for your TikTok edits, reels, and aesthetic loops that stop the scroll. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button for more cool effects. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.